Welcome to Timeline Chronicles. Today we journey into the heart of the Northeast, the land of red rivers and blue hills, Assam. Assam is known for its tea, mighty Brahmaputra, and unique culture. It has a history as vibrant as its landscape. Let's travel through its timeline. Assam finds its root in ancient times. The region is mentioned in epics Mahabharata and Kalika Puran as Pragjyotispura, the city of eastern lights. This land was once ruled by the legendary king Narkasura and later by the Bhagadatta, who fought in the Kurukshetra war. One of the most remarkable chapters in Assam's history begins in 1228 AD when Sukafa, a Thai prince, crossed the Patkai hills and established the Ahom kingdom. For nearly 600 years, the Ahom expanded their kingdom and built a strong cultural identity. The Ahoms are remembered for defeating the Mughal army multiple times, most famously in the Battle of Saraighat in 1671 under the leadership of Lachit Borpukhan. Assam's culture is a beautiful blend of indigenous traditions and influences from various communities. The great saint Srimanta Sankardev in 15th century led the Neo-Vaishnavite movement, shaping Assamese literature, dance, drama and music. Bihu, Assam's most popular festival, celebrates nature, farming and community life with dance, music and joy. With the arrival of the British in 19th century, Assam changed forever. After the Treaty of Yandabo in 1826, Assam came under the British control. The discovery of tea cultivation turned Assam into the world's largest tea growing region. But this prosperity also brought hardship for the local people and laborers who worked in the plantations. Assam played its part in India's independence movement with the leaders like Gopinath Bordolai and Tarun Ram Pukhan. After independence, Assam became one of the most important states of Northeast India. Today it is known worldwide for Kaziranga National Park, the one-horned rhino, its silk industry and of course Assam tea. This was the journey of Assam through time, from Pragjyotispura to Ahom glory, from colonial struggle to modern identity. If you enjoyed this timeline of Assam, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye, take care.